Very good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing about 1.2 exercise. Last question number 9 and 10. See the question number 9. A band is given, I band is given to show that a square minus a plus b into a minus bc minus a into I. By using this condition to prove that it is a null matrix. Null matrix is nothing but zero matrix. Every element will be zero. It is called null matrix. By using this condition to prove that it is a null matrix. See the solution. Given capital A is equal to A, B, C, D, and identity matrix capital I is equal to 1 0 0 1. In this question, A square is there. That's why first we need to calculate A square. A square can be written as A into A. Substitute A matrix twice. A B C D into A B C D. Next, product with those two matrices. First row, first column. A into A square plus B into C, B C. Next, product with first row, second column. A into B, AB plus B into D, BD. Next, product with second row, first column. C into A, CA plus D into C, DC or CD. Next, product with second row, second column. C into B, CB plus D into D, D square. Finally, we got A square. Now, we can take this condition to prove that it is a null matrix or not. Taking LHS condition, A square minus A plus B into A minus BC minus AD into I. Now, A square minus we got A square plus BC, AB plus BD, next CA plus DC, CB plus D square minus A plus B into, now substitute A matrix is AB, CD minus BC minus AD into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Simplify this matrix. This one right as it is A square plus BC, AB plus BD and CA plus DC or CD, CB plus D square. Now each element product with A plus D, that's why A into A plus D and B into A plus D, C into A plus D, next D into A plus D minus each element product with BC minus AD. So 1 into BC minus AD is BC minus AD, 0 into anything minus 0, 0 into anything minus 0, 1 into BC minus AD is BC minus AD. Now this matrix right as it is A square plus BC, AB plus BD and CA plus DC, CB plus D square minus A into A square plus A into D, AD. B into A is AB or BA, B into D is B, C into A, CR, AC, C into D is C. Next, D into A is D or AD plus D into B, DB or BD. Not other D into D, D square minus BC minus AD 0 0 BC minus AD. Now, subtracting the corresponding elements, finally we get the null matrix. First element minus first element minus first element. First element here A square plus BC minus here A square plus AD minus here BC minus AD. BC minus AD. Next, subtract the corresponding element, second element minus second element minus second element, AB plus BD, AB plus BD minus AB plus BD minus AB plus BD minus 0. Next we are going to second row. Second row, first element minus first element minus first element. CA plus BC, CA plus BC minus AC plus CD or CA plus BC. Anything you wish. AC plus CD or BC. Next minus 0. Next product not product, subtracting second row, second element minus second element minus second element. Here CB plus D square, CB plus D square minus AD plus D square minus BC minus AD, BC minus AD. So now A square plus B square, not B square, BC, product with into minus A square minus AD minus BC minus CD minus plus AD. Next AB plus BD, product with into minus into plus AD is minus AB, minus into plus BD is minus BD. Next CA plus DC, product with into minus into plus S is minus AC, minus into plus is minus CD. CB plus D square, product with into negative into plus AD is minus AB, minus into plus D is that value is minus D square minus BC minus into minus plus AD. Now observe, we are showing in this question plus A square minus A square get cancel, plus BC minus BC minus AD plus CD. Next plus AB minus AB plus BD minus BD. Now CA minus AC, CA or AC, 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Places are different but value will be same. So CA get cancel, plus BC minus CD get cancel, plus CB minus BC get cancel, plus D square minus D square get cancel, minus AD plus CD get cancel. Finally get each element will be 0. So that's why it is a null matrix. It is a null matrix. So finally got answer is A square minus A plus D into A minus BC minus AD is into I is equal to 0. It is a null matrix. First we need to calculate A square. After that take left hand side condition, substitute all the condition. After the subtracting the corresponding elements, finally we get the each element will be 0. It is called a null matrix. This is required for solution this question. Very important for this question here, students. So everyone notice this question. I think everyone understanding this question how to find the null matrix. So next we are going to in this exercise last question. So in this exercise last question number 10. I think everyone understanding this question. You know process, the solution will be easy. That's why first we are understanding the question. So you understand the question, easily writing the solution. So next we are discussing about in this exercise last question, question number 10. This one also very important. If capital A is equal to the given matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Prove that A square minus 4A plus 5 is a null matrix. Is a null matrix of order is 3 by 3. Order 3 by 3. We need to calculate null matrix order will be 3 by 3. Same dear students, take left hand side condition to prove the null matrix. So here also A square is there. That's why first we need to calculate A square. So solution given capital A is equal to 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. First we need to calculate A square. A square can be written as A. So A substitute 2 times 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. Again substitute A minus 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. So by applying multiplication of method, product with first row, first column. So 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, plus 2 into 2 4. Next product is first row, second column. 1 into 2 2, plus 2 into 1 2, plus 2 2 is 4. Next product with the first row, third column. 1 into 2 2, plus 2 into 2 4, plus 2 into 1 2. Next product with second row on first column. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 2 2, plus 2 2 is 4. Next product the second row, second column. 2 into 2 4, plus 1 into 1 1, plus 2 into 2 4. Next product with second row on the third column. 2 into 2 4, plus 1 into 2 2, plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next product with third row and first column. 2 into 1 2, plus 2 into 2 4, plus 1 into 2 2. Next product with second row, second column. 2 into 2 4, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 2 2. Next product is third row, third column. 2 into 2 4, plus 2 into 2 4, plus 1 into 1 1. Simplify this one. A square is equal to 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9. Finally got A square minus is 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9. Now we can take left hand side condition. Take left hand side condition is A square minus 4A plus 5y. Dear students, I is nothing but identity matrix. A matrix given 3 by 3. That's why identity matrix also we can take 3 by 3 matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Because of A matrix given 3 by 3 matrix, that's why identity matrix also we are taking 3 by 3 matrix. Now substitute the condition. A square is 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 minus 4 into A matrix is 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 plus 5 into I is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now this matrix I have this 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9. Each element product with 4. 4 into 1 is 4 to the 8 8 8 4 8 8 8 4. This one each element product with 5 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Now first we have to subtract those two matrices. 9 minus 4 8 minus 8 8 minus 8 8 minus 8 9 minus 4 8 minus 8 8 minus 8 8 minus 8 9 minus 4 minus 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. We get matrix is 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 minus 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Now subtracting corresponding elements. 5 minus 5 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 5 minus 5 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 5 minus 5. Finally we got null matrices. Each our element will be 0. So it is a point for the solution in this question. Finally we got 3 by 3 null matrix. So like that solve this question. Very very important this type of question for the final exam dear friends. First we need to calculate A square. After that by using this condition finally prove the 3 by 3 matrix is a null matrix. This is required for solution this question here students. So 1.2 exercise also over. The matrices chapter will be completed. Tomorrow we will be discussing about determinants. So determinant chapter also very important, very easy also. I will give the basic definition, determinants and formulas, how to find the determinant position also briefly we are discussing the tomorrow. Thank you all.